Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel with me Sravani. So today's recipe is Dum Pulao. I made this using homemade masala, which I am gonna show you in this video. Chalo, let's begin. So for this, let's roast all the spices mentioned here till we get nice aroma. Once we get nice aroma, we'll transfer it to a blender and make into fine powder. So our dum masala is now ready. Let's keep this aside for a while. Now keep a pressure cooker and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat. So now I'm gonna add whole garam masala and fry it for a minute. To this, I am gonna add 1 cup of chopped onion, saute them for a while. I am adding 3 to 4 sliced green chilies, 1 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, 1 cup of sliced capsicum, 1 cup of diced potatoes, and 3/4 cup of soya chunks. Mix all the ingredients once. And then we'll add the special masala which we made now. Add just a tablespoon of it because it will be too spicy. Add salt as per your taste. Also some chili powder. Mix everything once. Saute the vegetables for 2 to 3 minutes. Now I'm gonna add soaked basmati rice. I have soaked it for 20 minutes. Yeah, now let's give it a nice mix. Now let's add water. If you are taking 1 cup of soaked basmati rice, then you have to add 1/4 cup of water. It should be like that. Mix once, close the lid and pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Leave it for 20 minutes and let it cool. And yeah, our dum pulao is now ready to serve. Do try this and let me know your comments. Chalo then, see you all in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.